Back to jail.
You're about to go back to jail right now if you don't calm down and let me talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no more talking.
Because I smoked the joint.
No more talking.
I'm about to smoke. I smoked the joint. I'm about to piss in that company. It's going to say I smoked the joint and I smoked a joint. Who gives a I smoke?
I want the truth. You can't handle the truth.
7 State versus Robert Gerard. I got docket call and competency evaluation today, Mr. Schmidt.
Judge, previously at Mr. Gerard's request, I thought motion to withdraw in court abated the motion pending the outcome of the competency evaluation that's been confirmed and re-urged my motion to withdraw at this time. That is what.
Yeah, Mr. Gerard requested, sir. Mr. Gerard, are we still having a concern?
Yes, I'm getting an attorney out of the office and I'm in correspondence right now.
Okay, who are you hiring?
I have a couple I'm talking to.
Have you?
When they come, I'll sign them to the docket.
Okay.
They'll sign them to the docket.
But can you tell me who it is that you've spoken to? Like,
No, sir.
do you not know their names or?
I can't remember my really can't. All right, so last time I didn't even get to come into court. Y'all didn't even let me come into the courtroom. And then y'all sent back to my cell to come to court today after I bonded out. Last time I walked in the court with him, we were supposed to be talking to a specialist. And then I walk in, we're doing a docket call instead of talking to a specialist. And I don't know, are we at a docket call right now? What are we doing today?
We were at a couple things. We were at a docket call and then a status on the report for the doctor that you met with.
Right. Well, he's a head shrink. I don't need a head shrink.
I understand.
I'm not crazy.
I know, but that's.
I know you need it for court.
I do need it for court. That's
I
exactly
need a
right.
specialist to evaluate the surveillance, and they lost the phone that was supposed to be introduced into the case.
I know, and Mr. Schmidt.
Like a little sloppier than I was introduced, so I want him to get in and reorganize everything.
Okay. And Mr. Schmidt has brought all that up to the court. And yes, I had ordered the psychiatrist to interview you to give me a report, and that report has come back. The problem that I'm hearing, though, is that you and Mr. Schmidt can't, y'all don't have that attorney-client relationship anymore that's healthy to the point where you can communicate to Mr. Schmidt, where he can communicate to you, and that y'all can get on the same page with how to defend your case. So that's what I'm hearing is the concern for you and Mr. Schmidt as an attorney and officer of the court has brought it to my attention that you don't want him anymore. And so he's asking the court to allow him to withdraw as your attorney. And my only question is once I allow Mr. Schmidt to withdraw, then you don't have an attorney. And that concerns me because now you're by yourself and we're supposed to be moving forward with your case and you won't have an attorney representing you. That's why I'm asking, who's it that you're talking to so that I know that you're being represented?
Do you want me to look on my phone?
Do you on your phone, do you have it?
My phone's outside.
No, that's okay. That's okay. So you're telling me that if I allow Mr. Schmidt to withdraw, that you're going to hire an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Mr. Schmidt, then I will reconsider at this time your motion to withdraw as counsel, and the court will grant your motion to withdraw, and you are removed from Mr. Gerard's case at his request.
Thank you.
And I'm doing that, and I'm not appointing counsel for Mr. Gerard at this time. He's been found to be indigent at this time. However, at his request to hire an attorney, I'm not going to appoint you an attorney at this time. I'm instead going to reset your case and give you time to hire your attorney. All right. So we're going to reset the docket call to March 7th. So that's 30 days.
30 days.
That's 30 days. Okay.
And on the reset, we're coming back for a docket call?
We're coming back for a docket call and competency evaluation, all of that.
Okay.
The status on that.
Okay.
But everything that we were set for today, we'll discuss again on the 7th.
All right.
All right. Now there's one other, Mr. Schmidt, that's all. You're excused. The only other issue I have, Mr. Gerard, is that I asked pre-trial release. I asked Mr. Waddell to get a UA sample from you today.
He got a UA from me already.
And he told me that it was not sufficient. So I'm going to need you.
No, I just went up there and passed the UA.
I understand. He's reported.
So
Listen.
I bonded out a $10,000 bond.
I understand.
I have my own pre-trial or a PR bond. I don't get that.
You're not on PR bond. You posted a surety bond. And part of your conditions of being on a surety bond is that you're going to be subjected to your analysis exams anytime that I say.
And I just took your analysis exam and that's,
I understand. He says that it's insufficient.
I don't know how to say sufficient. I just went up there and took
It
analysis and passed it.
It doesn't matter what you think. It
Matter of
matters.
fact, I have an EEG board on my head and I'm gonna send you the video of me passing that UA.
Okay, that's fine. But I'm going to want you to give another one. Okay. If you pass the first
Okay.
one, you'll pass the second one. Okay.
I will, and I will send my lawyer up here to see you because I did pass that UA.
Well, your lawyer's supposed
Now, I
to
took
come in
that-
to see me anyway, because
Yes,
that's part of the
we
deal.
have lawsuits against you because my estate is ruined from y'all locking me up for 8 months.
That's
And I'm leaving my doors unlocked, 26 unlocked doors at my estate, and my roof is falling in, and they stole all my cars, stole all my titles, stole all my. Excuse me, sir. Y'all have lawsuits coming from us. Y'all have ruined our estate. Your electronic monitoring system has been on me for 10 years. 10 years. I can catch it with my EEG board and my security system. I'm a federal testing site. It says Van Zandt County Sheriff's Department and annex buildings signals on my head for 10 years straight. It's annoying. It's a mess. And it's injustice. And I'm suing everybody.
That's fine.
I'm suing from the top down. So
fine.
you can do our legal authority and all that stuff. Get that electronic monitoring system off my head. Quit talking into my skull with that B2K, whatever y'all call it. Got me?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
clear.
Yes, sir. Thank you. That's what the auditory hallucinations and the little expert stuff is amounting to. I'm not crazy. I have that.
Understand.
I have that surveillance.
Understand. And no one's saying that you're crazy.
Yes.
No one's saying
Thank
that.
you.
I'm just saying that I
I'm
need.
gonna send you the video,
Okay,
but I'm really gonna show you in court when I see you.
that's fine.
Get it off my head, please.
I will.
Thank you, sir.
That's fine. But listen, I need you to take the other test. And so,
I need you to get the electronic monitoring system from Van Zandt County Sheriff's Department and it's off my head.
but you gotta
Can you
give,
tell them?
you gotta go give, are you gonna give me a test?
You need to get that one, get it off my head.
Mr.
You
George,
need to get the one for the electronic monitoring system, get it off my head.
Mr. George, listen,
Yes, sir.
are you gonna give me another test?
Yes, sir. I will give you another test. Thank you.
Okay,
Do I have anything to sign?
no, not right now.
Okay.
Step out.
Electronic monitoring, so we have tasks. Electronic monitoring is in the Van Zandt County Sheriff's Department, X building, off Roberts Garage State.
Yes, sir. Go
Thank you, sir.
Go outside and see Mr. Waddell.
Thank you.
Give me that test and then come back in and have a seat, okay?
What do you mean I need us?
Because I haven't done your resetting, we haven't done your date. I gotta give you all that to sign.
67 years old, she's been sitting here for 10 hours.
I don't think she's missing.
Mr. Waddell, can you bring Mr. Waddell and tell me why it's insufficient? Can you tell me why it's insufficient? Because I peed and he said it was good.
Understand? I'm telling you, I want you to give another one because I believe it to be insufficient, okay?
Okay, listen, Mr. Waddell, it's insufficient on my test. Because you said it was a good step. I don't believe it. You don't believe it was my urine, I peed right in front of us. I peed right in front of you. Handed me the cup, you took your cup out, I peed right in front of you. Man, I couldn't see. No, you were standing right here, listen, no, see that is.
Listen, and
You
listen,
were standing right beside
Mr. Gerard, listen, Mr. Waddell, Mr. Gerard,
I feel like you're
listen,
Are you trying to lock me up?
not trying to lock you up. I want you to give another
You
seat.
should consider my surveillance because you have that electronic monitoring system from his office for 10 years straight. Van Zandt County Sheriff Department, is that right beside the adult probation office?
All right.
Is that the building right beside the adult probation office? Yes. All right, so that signal's been on my head for 10 years. Get it off my head. Thank you.
All right, so Mr. Gerard, go with Mr.
So
Waddell.
that's it. You get your warrants right if you're gonna stalk me around the world and ruin my house.
Mr. Gerard, I want you to go give him another urine sample, okay?
Come on. Come on,
Chad,
No, I'm not leaving my focus. Missing the first name.
I don't want, listen,
I want to go on record. Are we missing the first?
we're on record, listen, we're on record. No,
So
no, stay right there.
on the first test, where's the first test? The urine sample. I want to see the first test.
The first test has been deemed invalid by this court, and I'm asking.
Listen, invalid. Brother.
You're
I
not.
didn't get to see it.
You're not
I
going to.
didn't get to see it, and I didn't sign for it.
I'm not using that against you.
Because he told me before I walked out the door it was good.
Here's the bottom line. I don't want you to address them anymore.
All right, so what do you
Listen. What we're doing with you is this is what.
All right, so
This,
back to jail.
you're about to go back to jail right now if you don't calm down and let me talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no more talking.
Because I
Listen,
smoked the joint.
no more talking.
I'm about to smoke. I smoked the joint. I'm about to piss in that cup and he's going to say I smoked the joint and I smoked a joint. Who gives a f- I smoke? If that
I
makes
care. I
All
care.
right, so how many years test do I get? Do I get 1 or 2?
You get
Because-
0.
0? Let's go to because I want to see the other cup that was good. That was good. I'm not about to kiss again. You got a hot thing or whatever. Where's the first test? I want to see the first. I don't care. If you just try to lock me up, we're going to try to lock me up. I want to see the first test. I'm not giving you the second. Where's the first test? I'm about to give it. You're going to lock me up. No, where's the first? Where's the first? Look at it. What's the first one? Is it supposed to keep it if it was bad? Is it to the lab? Aren't you supposed to send that to the lab? That's wrong. Yes, you're supposed to send that to the lab. So
Listen.
I give you another. Let's go to the 10.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, so
Let's do it back on the 10.
All right, let the record reflect that Mr. Gerard is refusing to give the court another urinalysis upon being ordered.
Is this a good dollar? I got a real dollar. That's ready to get on. Yeah,
The court's going to find him to be in violation of this condition of release for failure to provide the urinalysis. The court's going to order him in custody at this time.
So what's my bond? If you don't mind me asking.
I'll determine that once you're in custody.
Can I have a bond?
When you get to the jail, I'll have a bond.
It's bullshit. You got lock me up. I ain't got to look here, man. I ain't got to look here.
I know
How long if I got it?
Okay.
You need to know.
you're going to talk to your mom.
Here, Jacob, come on. Touch me, come on. Touch me. What about it?
We'll send over the notice of appearance, and I'll send an order of commitment.
Thank you all so very much for watching to the end. Please subscribe and drop a like if indeed you did enjoy. I hope so. Until the next time, I'm off to feed those cats. And if you want to see another cool episode of mine without all the mandatory stuff, then click on the episode on screen now.